Welcome to the Vanish skincare family. We are thrilled to be a part of your skincare journey. Vanish was established to bring you innovative, science-backed products that truly work, without the common side effects like skin dryness, irritation, redness, and even more breakouts. Vanish Skincare's innovative DrySerum Masks technology allows active ingredients to absorb deeper into the skin, containing natural ingredients without the use of any emulsifiers, preservatives, or parabens. Our goal is to help you achieve clearer and healthier skin in a way that's gentle and safe for all skin types. We know the frustration that acne can cause, which is why our team at Vanish Skincare is on this journey with you. We have seen the joy of clear, confident skin and know that you can achieve it too. Remember, results take time, but many of our users see positive changes just within a few short weeks. Stick with us and we'll get there together. Vanish DrySerum Masks are not like any other skincare mask or acne product you've tried. Therefore, it's important that you watch this video in its entirety for best results. This is a 30-day routine with our patent DrySerum mask specifically designed in 3 phases to maximize your outcome. Each mask pouch contains 4 pieces, a piece for the forehead, 2 cheeks, a nose, and chin piece. Each box contains a total of 30 masks, 12 phase 1 masks, 12 phase 2 masks, and 6 phase 3 masks. The unique combination of these 3 phases helps you achieve clear and healthy looking skin. Additionally, your box will also contain an empty spray bottle. We recommend filling the spray bottle with distilled or filtered water, but if you don't have either, you can always fill the bottle with regular tap water too. The DrySerum mask should be used once daily for a minimum of 3 months or 90 days for best results. Now let's start using the Vanish DrySerum mask. Step 1. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. We recommend Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser or Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. However, you can use your cleanser of choice as long as it's extra gentle to avoid any potential skin irritation. After you finish cleansing, dry your face. Next, using the spray bottle provided, spray your face with water. You want to be liberal with the amount of water you spray on your face. As a reminder, we recommend using distilled or filtered water. However, if you don't have that, regular tap water will do the trick. It is important to make sure your face is fully damp. The wetter, the better. Now with clean, dry hands, open the mask bag and peel the white backing off the first mask piece. Please note that it is normal for some of the dry serum to stick to the white paper or to be slightly flaky. But no worries, even though this happens, you're still getting the full effects of the treatment. As you can see, the white dry serum layer holds our active ingredients. Think of it like cotton candy for your skin. With the blue side facing out, place the mask on your damp skin. You'll see the dry serum fibers dissolve almost instantly, transferring the ingredients onto your skin. It takes less than 10 seconds to dissolve into your moistened skin. It's that quick. Once the dry serum has dissolved, remove the blue mask backing from your face and gently spread and rub the dissolved dry serum around the area of the face that you applied. Again, this is not like traditional face masks you may have used before. You do not need to leave the mask on for longer than 10 seconds per piece. If you see that the dry serum does not fully dissolve on your face, it means that there was not enough water on your skin. But no worries, spray your face with water again and reapply until the dry serum layer is fully dissolved. You'll know it's fully dissolved as you won't see any more white on the blue backing. Now simply repeat this step for each area of your face. If you have areas on your face or neck that have more acne than others, you can apply the mask pieces to the affected areas directly. For example, if you have acne on your jawline, feel free to apply the cheek pieces on your jawline. After you have finished applying the dry serum mask, let your skin dry before applying moisturizer. It is important to use an extra gentle moisturizer to keep your skin feeling comfortable and balanced. We recommend using a moisturizer like Vanish Cream Moisturizing Skin Cream, but you can also use any moisturizer of your choosing. Here's a couple of things to be aware of. After applying the mask, your skin might feel a little bit tighter or dry. This is normal. As you continue using the DrySerum mask, your skin will balance out and get used to it. Applying extra moisturizer to your face after the mask will help with this feeling. While using the Vanish DrySerum mask, we recommend that you stop using all other acne washes or treatments, especially products that contain salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, and retinols, just to name a few. Applying additional products may actually hurt your skin more than it helps, which may negatively impact the difference you'll see using the Vanish DrySerum mask. The Vanish DrySerum masks are specifically formulated to ensure you have everything your skin needs in one product. After you've finished all 12 days of the phase 1 mask, you'll move to the phase 2 mask and repeat the same process as described previously. Finally, after the phase 2 masks have been completed, you'll finish off the 30-day routine with the phase 3 masks. For best results, continue using the Vanish DrySerum Acne Skincare Mask for a minimum of 90 days for clear, healthier skin. Thank you for choosing Vanish Skincare and for letting us be a part of your journey to clear, healthier skin. Remember, every mask brings you one step closer to your goal. Consistency is key, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Whether it's your first week or your 3rd month, know that you're doing something amazing for your skin and yourself. If you need help or have any questions, our team is just a message away. Reach out to us anytime at hello@vanishskincare.com or text us at the number on screen. Let's make clear, healthier skin a reality. You got this. We can't wait to see your results.